What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks and this is ShocksCapital YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you the best strategy that you can use to trade gold and Nasdaq in 2025. So what you want to do is simple. You want to identify your Asian range, right? And identify your London breakout, the retest, and you're going to be trading in the New York session. So you want to be able to catch the New York open trade. So Asian range, London breakout, and the New York session. So I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do and what you need to understand to get this type of trade. So if we go to charts, you clearly see that on the charts, we have these blue boxes, which is your London session. So we are going to be using order blocks and fair value gaps to get involved in this in these areas so that we can catch these moves that you see on your chart. So before we do that, a lot of you guys have been asking me how to avoid getting scammed when buying prop firms and when doing all that thing, because a lot of you guys are trading prop firms and some of you would want to buy a prop firm and start trading, and you have been worried how you choose the best prop firm for you and the best account size, the best everything, and how you actually get promotions. So today I'm going to show you these two that I found out, which is prop firm match that you can use. So what this platform does is it helps you compare the prop firms that work for you. So if you want here on this filter here, you can show forex, futures, stocks, crypto, and you can choose your prop firm based on what you trade. And you can choose your account sizes from 5K to 500K. And you can choose the steps. Remember, we have instant, 1 step, 2 steps, and 3 steps types of prop firm. So this is not a prop firm, but this is a tool to help you buy a prop firm. So if you want to get a prop firm that works for you, that is listed on the most trusted platform in the prop firm industry, you need to be using prop firm match to buy your account, right? So prop firm match helps you find the best trading firm for your needs, right? You can choose, let's just do it. Let's just choose 5K and maybe 2 steps. And you remember, there are those firms that give you an extra challenge after passing the first round. So you can just choose and you click search. Then these are the firms that do what you have filtered on that filter. So this is what you are going to do. And remember, on prop firm match, you are going also to find reviews of traders who have actually bought an account and received a payout, right? So if you go to reviews right here, you will see a bunch of traders that have traded and that have given reviews on that particular firm that you want. So these are the reviews, right? So you can filter by funded only and paid out only. So if you are going to be funded only, these are the firms that have been reviewed by people who have been funded. And if you go to paid out only, you are going to see reviews of traders who have actually been paid by these firms. So this is what you want to do and avoid getting scammed. So if you don't want to get scammed, you have to be using Propmat, and you have to buy your account using this service. So it's very easy. You click the link in the description down below and you go to Propmat, you buy your account and you get discounts because they have exclusive offers and promotions tailored for you, for the trader. So you want to be taking advantage of that discounts and loyalty program. So when you're talking about their loyalty program, what are we talking about? We are talking about their program that gives you points, and after you get points, so you can exchange your points with an account. So if you want that, I'll show you how it works right now. What you want to do is click here, then go to loyalty program. If you go to their loyalty program, what you're going to see is the loyalty program that they are going to give you. So this is a list of what you can get. So for 2,000 points, you are going to get a 5K account free of charge. So from 2,000 all the way to 80,000 loyalty points, you're going to get accounts for free that you can trade, right? So if this is something that interests you, you have to get on board. And remember, if you want to be inside the loyalty program, on checkout, if you are buying your account using Propmat, you need to check out the box that says with benefits so that you can get into the loyalty program. So after that, you use ShocksCapital to get double points so that you can reach your goal easily. So with that being said, let's go back to our video and let me show you how to trade gold after you have bought your account. So this is what you are going to do. Remember, if you are looking at this, remember I said you use what? You use fair value gaps and you use order blocks. So if you go back to this example or that you are seeing here, you can clearly see that on this example, what we wanted here is a what? Is a fair value gap in this area or an order block in this area or both, to understand this retest that comes to the what? To the order block, this retest that comes back to the what? To the fair value gap. So if we go back to our charts here, you will clearly see that on this one we have what? We have this fair value gap that pops out here. So what you need to do is to wait for the Asian range to end, right? Then you wait for price to go back here in the what? In the New York session after a close below the what? Below the fair value gap or the order block. You put your stop loss above the what? Above the zone here, and you wait for price to move away. And this is an example of an order block, as you can see. So this is an order block that you can use. So this being an order block after the Asian range here, you want price to go and retest your what? Your order block, as is in this case, and you go away. So there are three things that you should understand: the Asian consolidation, the what? The London breakout, and you have to understand the timing of the New York or the retest that you're going to be what? To be trading. So in this case, this is what happened. Price came and retested the price inside the what? Or in the middle of the Asian range. You need to be avoiding things that look like this, and you need to be looking for these kind of what? These kind of order blocks where price is what? Where price is retesting something above or below the Asian session, as you can see. So this is a good what? A good example of how you should have traded. So this is not giving us much. Why? Because this was during the what? US presidential elections, right? So the market was volatile here. So what you need to do is to understand that you need to be trading this when you don't have news events in the what? In the Asian session, and when you know what you are going to be doing. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Go to your charts and try to find this on your charts and see if you can get your trades that you're looking for. I will see you in the next video. Shocks out. Bye bye.